ICICI Bank, you see their websites. They have got the buttons for digital, iPay, etc., etc. And even in State Bank of India website, there is a button for online education for their staff. So all these things, what does it say? It says that the bank management have recognized the need for this type of, technological upgradation of the skills of their employees, and they are using technology for training also. Like this course is going to be on online platform. So that is one thing. But interestingly, you see the websites of foreign banks like Wells Fargo, Bank of America, Barclays, Banca, there is not that emphasis given to this type of, digital emphasis. So I would only wish the program all the very best, and I would say that, the increased acceptance of digital banking and its utilization will definitely take our country forward, the banks forward, and definitely India should emerge as a front runner in the area of banking by incorporating the latest technology. Thank you, all the best.
Thank you, Sridhar. Before we just continue, I'd like to inform you we will take questions just, in about 10 minutes. Thank you. May I now invite Sridhar to launch the program, please?
Morning, everyone. It's a great privilege for me to launch the website of the program on behalf of all the panelists. Okay, here we go. Here is the program page which is in line in front of all of you for this program which all the panelists have spoken about. Right, spoken about what's happening in the industry as a whole, how technology is disrupting the banking and the way banking services is delivered on one side, and how talent needs of the organizations are really looking at evolving to the next level. So this program, which is called the Advanced Program for Banking and Leadership for a Digital World, offered by NIBM and TalentSprint together, is a program that's really meant for professionals in the banking and financial services segment with around 5 years of experience, looking forward to be a digital first professional. Right, and I think Mr. Chaubal is taking us through, so you can take to see what happened in the past, what's currently happening, right, a combination of both branch banking and digital banking. And going forward, I'm sure mobile-only banking and a lot of other stuff are evolving. This program will ensure that bank managers and the financial service professionals get themselves ready for the tomorrow that's in front of us. I'll just go through the program page a few minutes and then hand over that. This program is built with a real-world curriculum, outstanding faculty, we often will see today. And this is a management program which will take through a case study-based learning and enable a great peer learning, peer networking opportunities for the participants. Who is this program for? If a person is a banker or a financial services professional, either the public sector or the private sector, or a tech professional working for the BFSI industry, or a consultant who is working for a BFSI industry, and want to make the digital part of it come out with solutions for various use cases, this program is for them. And in terms of the eligibility criteria, we expect people with 5 years plus of experience, with of course a graduation, to join. The coverage and other stuff will be taken by the professor, so I don't want to spend time on this. Right? Some of these professors, Dr. Arindam is available. He will be talking to us very soon. The various senior professors from NIBM will be doing. I would like to finally just say that there is a very simple process. Somebody interested can apply for the program. There is a committee that will select the applicants based on the profile, and those who select can enroll for the program. The program fee is available, and of course, the program will be delivered digitally over a 6-month period with the campus visit and NIBM. So that's the brief about the program. More details are available in the press release and of course the website. and I'm sure you will look at each other. As an outcome, we expect the participants going through this program will be able to advance their career and become a digital wealth professional, and of course, grow their organization as well. Over to you. Anyone there?
Yeah, sorry. Yeah, thank you, Sridhar. May I now request Dr. Arindam Bandyopadhyay to speak a few lines about the program. If you can share some details. Thank you.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, it is a great pleasure to tell about the program. As you are aware, the banking sector is going through a rapid transformation phase driven by the technology. And this 6 months duration course is designed for banking and finance professionals who want to develop and build expertise in digital technologies and have a mindset to navigate the digital banking. And NIBM is helping the executives in their endeavor to make their organizations competitive in both the domestic and international markets. And the advanced certification program, as has been shown, of NIBM with TalentSprint has been designed to enhance the knowledge and capabilities of executives for building the leadership pipeline in the banking industry. And the program will be taught by a team of leading researchers and experts in digital banking domain. And the online executive-friendly instructor-led learning will conclude with a certification ceremony during the 2 to 3 days campus visit at a beautiful and green NIBM campus in Pune. And applications are open for the first cohort due to start in July 2022, and it will be a session in an online platform. Mainly the weekend classes will take place, and so I'm sure this will immensely add value to the executives. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. We open the floor to questions now. So please go ahead and ask your questions. I noticed there was Mihir who wanted to ask. He has raised his hand. Mihir, if you're there, you can go ahead and ask your question. Okay, I don't think he's there. Anyone else who would like to ask questions, please? Mihir, you're there. Would you like to ask your question? If not, shall we move on? Okay. Shall we conclude the media briefing then?
Mr. Ashok, who wants to ask a question, please go ahead.
Yeah, well, I'm not going to ask any question here because I'm part of the team, which is part of the faculty. I just want to say the moderator allows my namaste to Mr. Chaubal. I don't know whether he remembers.
Okay, please go ahead.
I can't see the start the video, so unfortunately you can't see me.
No, I do remember you. I do remember you.
Yeah, I was from Central Bank of India. We had associated with some of the interview program. Yeah. I just have a question to you, a very simple question. I don't know how come you have a reverse aging process?
No, I'm an old man. I'm an absolute old man.
Okay, good to have you here, sir. Good to have you here.
Thank you. Thank you, Professor.
Lack of question will be interpreted that we have done an extremely well briefing.
Exactly.
Yes, I think we have stunned people.
So, shall we close? Shantanu, any closing remarks you would like to?
Sure, no, I'm absolutely happy to close. So I think this is, like everyone has mentioned, and I think particularly I really liked Mr. Chaubal's comment about banking is now technology. It's no longer using technology, built on technology. It is technology. And I think that's a very sort of sound, insightful statement, because I think this is true not just for banking, but if you look at what is happening with cars, right? Automobile-driven cars. I mean, cars are technology. I mean, in the truest sense of the term. In fact, I have, and just on a lighter vein, since we have a little time, I was saying that one of my friends who's a surgeon, turned into a robotic surgeon and started using sort of a robotic arms for his surgery. And I asked him what happened. He said, look, the robotic arm can do a lot more things that I can do with less damage to the patient, right? So essentially, in that sense, I think disruption is here. And a personal anecdote, I want to also say that I was on the board of NPCI for the last 5 years, and I can tell you that if you look at unbundling of the banking services, which are also something I think Mr. Chaubal referred to in passing, that I think all these banking services are getting unbundled bit by bit and becoming technology companies. They're becoming parts of fintech, like digital lending, digital payments, digital insurance. And we see a huge transformation in the whole sector. And not just by technology transformation, but business model transformation and unbundling of the traditional bank. So I think I envy all those who are going to be part of this program as students, because I'm sure the learning that is ahead is very, very exciting. And in particular, I therefore take one more opportunity here to thank my colleagues in NIBM, Professor Partha, Dr. Arindam, Bandyopadhyay, and all the other faculty members who are present. And in particular, my regards to Mr. Chaubal for laying out a very nice sort of vision for why it's important for banks in particular and banking professionals in particular to technology enable themselves for the future, right? And the future is already here. It's not like in the distant future anymore. So with that, I'd like to thank all the journalists who have attended. And I suppose the kit has been given out to all the journalists, and we look forward to the coverage. And we appreciate your time and presence. And thank you, Arindam, for hosting us in this event. Back to you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Shantanu. Thank you, Dr. Partha, Sridhar, Dr. Arindam, Bandyopadhyay, and Shri Chaubal. Thanks to all of you, and thanks to all the media friends.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.